What's up, my amazing and beautiful makeup slayers? My name is Eve. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing a new unboxing. It is going to be the ice cream box. Check out this cute box here. Now, before I start grabbing the products, if you have not yet, show me that you love me and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel grow more than you know. And you love me, don't you? If you do, you have to show it. Come on, it just takes a second. It's free. Why not? You gotta have this corniness in your life every day. All right, now with that, I'm not gonna show you the card because it has all the prices on it. I don't wanna do that till the end because I don't wanna spoil it for you. And it says the items in the box, and what's the point of watching this video? But this box is going to be $25 a month. Now, the first item is going to be by Earth Harbor. We know that brand. It comes in all the subscription boxes. And this one is called Marina. And it says it's a brightening ampule. I disagree with that. Ampule is usually a serum, very light serum. This has more of an oil texture to it. It's a very gorgeous color. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. Hopefully you can see the pretty color. Now with this one, what I did is I washed my face like normal. I did all my steps, and then before I put my moisturizer on, I put this on. I put about a quarter size amount. Rubbed it in, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I put my moisturizer on and anything I wanted to after that. Do not put this before your essences, your serums, your ampules, because this is more of an oil texture. So it's not going to absorb all your other products if you put this one first. So this one's mislabeled, but it's a fantastic product. I like it a lot. It has blue tansy in it, which is my favorite ingredient. It goes well with my skin. I've used it in other brands, so I like it a lot. And the other thing was, what was the other thing in here? Spirulina. I haven't used that yet, but blue tansy I know, and I've already used this 3 times and I'm loving it for my night treatment. But don't use it as an ampule. That's mislabeled. This one is going to be $40. So stoked about that. I've liked a lot of their products, so I'm happy I got this in the box. Now the next one thing about this box is you're supposed to get a palette in every box. I saw this and this packaging knocked me over. I thought it was gonna be wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. It says The Golden Gatsby. It's by LA Splash, and on the bottom it says, in the back of it, darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. The packaging, everything else, like I said, they went all out. And then I'm going to open it up, hide the mirror, and let you see these colors. Now, this is where the honesty is going to come in. These over here, these 3, the only one I have not tried of the metallic shades is the teal one over here. All these 3 were disappointing to me. I didn't like them. If I rated them from 1 to 10, I would give them a 2. I was very disappointed in it, but where it's at is the mattes. They did a very good job on the mattes. So all these, the top row, are absolutely wonderful. I even used the black over here to deepen my brown for the outer corner. That is what I'm using on my eyes today, so you can take a good look at it. The bottom one, the bottom lash line, is with another product, but it is mixed in with this mint julep on my bottom one. But there's another product on the lower lash line, but all on top of my lid, underneath my brow bone, are these shades. So I'm gonna let you take a look. I hope that you can pick it up. Like I said, the mattes were where it's at. Thank goodness there's a lot more mattes than metallic. I just put it on my eyes. It was disappointing. I even used my NYX glitter glue, which is the best thing. It makes every eyeshadow look at its best, and it didn't even perform with that on it. So I will not be using the metallic shades at all because they flake. At the end of the day, they don't last. My eyes did not look good after my work shift. I wore it twice, and both times I was disappointed when I looked at it. So, like I said, I will probably give this whole palette from 1 to 10 a 5 because I do enjoy the matte shades. They blend wonderfully. The colors are beautiful. I like it a lot. They get a half a point for the packaging, but metallic shades, no. And they say that this is going to be $34. So I'm hoping the other palettes are going to be better than that I'm not going to be disappointed like I was with that one. Let's go into this. They say it's a matte bronzer. I think it's kind of a duo. It's kind of bronzer. It's kind of a blush. I used it where I would put my blush, and if you could see how pretty that is, I think it's a gorgeous color on me. Now this is Hikari, I think, and the color is Tahiti, and it says it's a matte bronzer. Let me open it up for you. Hope you can pick that up. And like I said, I didn't think I was going to like it, but then when using it as a blush, I like it a lot. So I'm going to keep using this because I think it's very pretty blush. I don't like when blushes are way too pink or orange or things like that. So this is a very wearable color. Like it a lot. And that blush is going to be $23. Now we're going to go into a primer. I already know this primer. I don't remember which box I got it on. It was BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but I love this one. This one is going to be the Evo, and it's the Beauty Pore Perfecting Primer. So try to get this close, blocking my big old head. And this one's very nice. It doesn't get rid of all your pores, but it definitely makes your skin look better with the makeup sitting on top. So this is very nice. Do I go for this primer all the time? No, I go for more hydrating, more glowing ones, but I have brought this out. I have used it. If you don't believe me, I even brought the other one that I've been using right over here. So excellent primer if you like pore perfecting primers. I like this one because it does not have silicone. It does not feel like silicone. I don't know if there's actually silicone in it or not, but it doesn't feel like that. It feels like a regular primer. I don't like silicone ones. If you like those, you're not gonna like this, but this was excellent for me. And that one is going to be $30. Now we're gonna go on a product that is just, nah. I wasn't really impressed with it. This is what I mixed in with the bottom lash line. I didn't like it, so that's why I had to break the Mint Julep shade out of this and blend it in to try to make it look better. This is by Crown, and it's the Chubby Eye Pencil. I have not used Crown Cosmetics before. I've used some of their brushes. I don't mind their brushes, but this Chubby Pencil, I just didn't like very much. On my waterline, I asked for a lot. I have allergy watery eyes, and this just didn't look good on mine. I had to really cake it on, cake it on, cake it on to get it to stay. So with me blending the shadow, it ended up working as I just tossed it. But I was not a fan of this. It is $10, so this one out of 10, I give it a 5. It's just a wah product. So that's all the items in the box, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you the cute card that says all the items and the prices, which I'm so thankful for because Ipsy used to have this and then they removed the prices, and that's annoying. So I'm glad that the prices are on here. It's a cute little card. I like the effort on it, and like I said, this box was $25 a month. And this box value ended up being $137. Do I think this box was worth it? I'm gonna say no. The only thing that I'm really happy about is going to be this. I kind of like this. This is nice. This I really like, but everything else, I wasn't too impressed. I was just really disappointed in this. So do I think I got my money's worth on the 25? I know that Everybody may not agree with me, but in my opinion, I don't think it was worth it this month. I can't wait to see the other months. I hope this box just wasn't made for me. That's all I can sum it up as. But I look forward to getting the rest of the boxes because I have seen it in past months and I've been impressed by it. So looking forward to that. So like I said, we're at the end of the video. If you made it to the end, pat yourself on the back. I appreciate your love. It means the world to me. Remember, I see you in the comments. It makes my day, makes me feel special, gets me through a tough day. Sometimes I just want to have a drink. Instead, I read your beautiful comments, puts me in a good mood. So that's a double thumbs up. I can't say I put down the salt and vinegar chips. That I won't touch. All right, now I'm going to grab the real co-star as I talk to you. Come here, Sugar Bear. Come here. Come here, Shuggy. And we're going to say goodbye to you. Remember, like this video, comment down below, become one of my beautiful makeup slayers because me and Sugar Bear love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.